What is good, everyone? Today is currently the Thursday, December 26th. I wanted to resume our $250 challenge. But before we do that, I'm going to discuss a bit about the markets today, what I traded on my main account, and then talk a little bit about our second account. All right, if you guys haven't already, please shoot me a follow on Twitter. I'm posting actively about this trading challenge, and if you guys want to follow along, then it'll be good for you guys to just see the positions I'm opening and closing. I don't update it 24/7. Like, I'm not fully like everything I do I post about it, but significant changes I'll probably post. So after we left in the last video, I mentioned Nvidia swinging that. We swung it, we sold that open, and as you can see right here, we made about 45% on our account. We made about $128. So it was a good trade. We turned our 250 into around 409, and then after that, and sorry guys, I know my screen looks really dirty. I promise you it's not as dirty as it looks, but I'll try and clean it for the next video if you guys tell me enough times to in the comments or something. But after that, I took a small position in Qs, and we took nice gains on that. So overall, this all happened on the 24th, I believe, on Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve, right before Christmas, had a good day, about up 240 on that account to 530. And then right before we closed on December 24th, I opened up a Mara position. That position I closed right at open today. Unfortunately, I didn't get the move I was looking for. I think I sold Mara around, we got a nice small push into open, like literally this candle right here. We kind of got pushed up, and I was like, the whole goal there was to try and catch a bid on Bitcoin or on crypto, just overall, maybe through the holidays, maybe we can see a push into like hundreds, 101K for Bitcoin, and obviously that would help Mara. But we didn't get that, and I'm not going to hold on to that one-day contract because quite frankly, don't have enough faith in Mara, especially when contracts are expiring tomorrow. I mean, if I held it to what it is now, I'd probably be down another 50% on that. So closed it, not down too much. I think my position ended up being down like $50 or something like that. Again, it wasn't a huge position. I think it was, as you can see, it was around $160. So I sold it about, like, I would say a 50% loss, so maybe around $80. Yeah, before I'm jumping around. Before I talk about the Nvidia trade I opened up, I want to talk a bit about what I traded on my main account, and it kind of segues into my Nvidia trade. So today we took shorts and longs, and we profited off both of them. We had a losing trade in the beginning, and then we had two back-to-back winners. So overall, pretty good. Took this short, got a short down to a retest of 526.93. This was a strong move right here. I think I opened up with calls, which is why I was down on the position, but I switched to shorts, profited off that, and I waited a bit. I waited about, I would say, like 10 minutes, and then we got this engulfing candle, which is what I wanted to talk about here. This candle right here, we got bought up super quick from when we dumped. This candle specifically, if you guys can see what I'm looking at, this candle bought up this entire candle on the left, and conveniently, let's look at this on the 30-minute. Conveniently, that engulfing bullish candle was the 9 o'clock close. So immediately I was bullish. It just looked really good, as you guys can see. Like, we had this super strong down move, and it got bought up before the candle closed on the 9 o'clock, which is 9 o'clock Central for me, so that's probably 10 o'clock for Eastern folks. But yeah, very bullish indicator right there, and it was sitting right at around our market open where we were kind of consolidating. So I kind of saw this engulfing candle and took longs into that. We got a good push upwards. I sold a bit early, but I like doing that. I don't really care. And had a good gain on my main account. So I was, kind of leaning bullish after that. And then I looked towards Nvidia. The reason why I went long on Nvidia, well, we have a really good setup here, I think. I mean, overall, I've been bullish, and maybe that's my kryptonite. Just maybe trying to force a bullish trade when it's not there. But I do believe that we are bullish on Nvidia on a more short-term time frame. I mean, you can kind of see this V-shaped recovery here. I mean, we've been, like I mentioned, we've been relatively strong. The first NVIDIA trade went my way, and I think we're just setting us up back to retrace up to 144s. And so also, if we look at the intraday price action, guys, I'm not one to draw triangles and like patterns and stuff like that, but you can kind of clearly see, I mean, you know, we're kind of grinding upwards, and we're kind of just rejecting off this 140.20 area. It looks like we're rejecting there again, which obviously is not ideal for me, but I ultimately do think we can see this setup playing out where we shoot up, yeah, hopefully we can have that come into fruition, and we can have a good take profit today or tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys my position now. I think I'm down on the position just because of how contracts are moving, which is pretty shitty, but you know, it's the name of the game. Let me pull it up for you guys. Just logging in. Yeah, I'm down 7%, but I'd love to, you know, I want to be transparent with you guys. So I'm down on the position right now. Sorry guys. As you guys can see, we are down 7%, 7.56% on the day, or we're down 8% on the day, we're down 7% on the position. And so I plan on selling this position tomorrow. Again, if things don't go my way, I will sell it, and I'll let you guys know. I'll probably let Twitter know. As far as how we're looking right now, even if we're down on a position, I don't hate the position. I think we're setting up pretty well. We're above 140, which is a key level. As long as we can hold there, hopefully we can hold here. I can see a breakout close to the market close, but we'll have to see and wait. So yeah, just an update on my account. Again, I'm pretty aggressive. As you can see, this is essentially my entire position is on NVIDIA. So again, very, very risky. But you know, if we lose about 30% or whatever, I'll update you guys. Again, this is a risky challenge, but gotta take risk to get big gains, and that's ultimately what we're shooting for here on this challenge. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's currently 1:29 p.m., so we got an hour and a half left in the market. Since I last recorded, as you guys can see, we've just been consolidating right here. I don't think my position is bad in terms of expecting a breakout move, but it's just taking way too long. And as you can see, I'm kind of paying the price right now. We are down 17% on this position. So I might cut the position soon. We'll have to see if we end up actually breaking out. But I'm expecting maybe to take a decent loss here. Again, like, the setup is really, really great here. I mean, we're consolidating here. I do expect to shoot up, like I said, closer to market close, but these are, of course, expiring in a day, so just a lot of time decay, and you know, they're kind of far out the money position. So this is definitely not going in my favor. I could have been more patient with the setup, but yeah, if I do close my position in the next hour or so, I'll definitely let you guys know.